If applied consistently to your videos, title sequences, they build your branding. It's your way of saying, hey, watch this, watch me, this is my brand. And you know by now that I'm throwing around these movie references, so let's check out these beauties. As you can see here, a lot of animation is used in order to strengthen the visual style. It says something about it too. Harry Potter is mysterious. Star Wars is an epic space saga. Sphere is about a sphere. And Superbad is funny as hell. I could go on for hours, but it seems that in movies, film creators really take the time to design titles in order to let you know who's playing in the film and why you should pay attention. Someone said attention? Yes, attention, the currency in online video. So let's see why you should use title sequences to draw attention to your video. Do you see what's happening here? I should say feel. Do you feel what's happening here? Check it out. I got different intros with different aesthetics, and each intro gives a certain feeling. You probably heard the following part somewhere. I didn't make it up, nor am I a psychologist. Feelings are the feedback mechanism of an established emotional connection. I watched The Exorcist. I shiver from excitement and fear. Boom! Emotional connection established. Emotional connections, they lead to the adoption rate. The willingness to spend your attention in the form of time or money. And in the end, when the movie or video has resonated with you, meaning you thought there was some value there in the form of knowledge, insights, or just having a good time, you convert. You're a fan, you want more, you go back in. So I hope this works. Welcome to Video State. On this channel, I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you want some more. Well, just waiting if there was an emotional connection established there. Alright, let's get the theory straight. The key reasons why it's important to have a title sequence. First of all, branding. Like I said, the title sequence sets the tone for the video and helps establish the brand identity. The title sequence should be consistent with the rest of your video. Introduction. The title sequence serves as an introduction for your video, providing context and setting the scene for what's to come. Anticipation. A well-designed title sequence creates anticipation and excitement for the content of your video. Professionalism. A well-designed title sequence adds a level of professionalism to your video and makes you stand out from more amateuristic productions. Okay, now you know why you need a title sequence. It's time to look how you can get one. You can create one yourself, you can use templates, or you can order one just like you order pizza. The basics of every title sequence is the font. And check out that font to get the font that represents your brand the best. And they have a lot of different styles over there. Whatever editing tool you're using, it being Adobe Premiere or Final Cut, you can create very simple titles. Or you could use After Effects to animate one completely yourself. This obviously takes time and effort, but makes your title sequence very unique. Moving on to templates. The first stop is animated title generators. I've been using videos in the beginning of my editing days quite a lot. You upload a logo and hit render. It's that easy. And for the ones that are a little bit more advanced in After Effects or Adobe Premiere, let's head over to some sites where they have some really great examples. Looking at these sites, you can get a lot of templates for either Premiere, After Effects or Final Cut, such as Motion Array, Artlist, Video Hive, Mixkit or Video Blocks. Now I have downloaded my template, now it's time to animate it in After Effects. On the left hand side you see the controls where I can edit and render the video. So let's change the text first so it matches our title. And now we get to the point where we can change the colors to make it fit our branding style. This is awesome. The last thing to do right here is to hit render so we can get the title animation in the oven. And there you go, a kick-ass title sequence so nobody forgets who I am. And finally, if you don't want to create one yourself, you can check out amazing artists on Fiverr. Oh yeah, I said something about pizza. In summary, title sequences, they play a crucial role in establishing your brand, setting the tone for your content and creating awareness and anticipation for your video. And that was it for today. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.